In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the My Stuff menu in Basecamp. Basecamp is a widely used project management tool that helps teams stay organized and on track. If you're new to Basecamp or just looking to get a bit more familiar with its features, you're in the right place. Today, we'll focus on the My Stuff menu, a powerful feature designed to keep all your important tasks, events, and notes in one convenient location. First, let's navigate to basecamp.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new, you might want to create an account and explore the platform a bit before diving into the My Stuff menu. Once logged in, you're welcomed by the Basecamp dashboard, which displays all your projects and teams. Now, let's dive into the My Stuff menu. You'll find this at the bottom of the Basecamp interface. This section is a personal dashboard that aggregates all your tasks, events, and notes across different projects, allowing you to manage your responsibilities efficiently. It's designed to give you a snapshot of what needs your attention without having to sift through multiple projects. The first thing you'll notice is My Tasks. This section lists all tasks assigned to you across all your projects. It's a great way to see everything you need to do in one place. You can click on each task to see more details, such as due dates and any attached files or comments. If you have a lot on your plate, make it a habit to check this list regularly to stay on top of your deadlines. Next up is My Events. This section is akin to having a personal calendar within Basecamp. It shows all the events and meetings you're scheduled to attend. It's particularly useful if you're balancing multiple projects and need to keep track of various deadlines and meetings. Clicking on an event will provide you with more details like the time, location, and any notes associated with it. The Due Today section is a fantastic feature for those who thrive on daily to-do lists. Here, you'll find all tasks and events that are due on the current day. This feature helps prioritize your workload by letting you focus on what needs immediate attention. It's a good idea to start your day by reviewing this section and planning your tasks accordingly. Moving on to My Bookmarks, this is where you can save any important discussions, files, or documents you want to access quickly. Think of it as a favorites list for all your essential Basecamp content. If you come across a document or a conversation that you know you'll need to refer back to, simply bookmark it for easy retrieval later. Lastly, we have My Notes. This section is a personal space for jotting down any thoughts, reminders, or ideas you might have. It's like having a digital notebook within Basecamp. You can create and edit notes as needed, and they're stored here for whenever you need them. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or just need a place to write down quick reminders, My Notes is the perfect spot. And there you have it. The My Stuff menu in Basecamp is a powerful tool to help you stay organized and efficient. By regularly checking these sections, you can manage your tasks and responsibilities more effectively, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Basecamp experience even better. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.